to let it.
10 miles in, it's starting to rain, the sun's gone down and it's getting cold. Oh man. And now in front of us is the North Circular. We're just at the M25. How many hours, Michael?
5 hours, 38 minutes.
Well, the sun's almost completely gone down now. Where are we, Michael? Yeah, we're somewhere on this canal. If anyone knows, there's Cook's Delights Emporium. I think we're about Enfield somewhere. Are we Enfield? Marco Polo's about to give us an estimation. We're about 2 miles south of the M25, so we're coming up to Waltham Abbey. Catch you in a bit.